In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Phasmophobia on Oculus Quest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and play Phasmophobia in VR using your Oculus Quest 3. As you can see, according to the official Steam page for the game, it has full VR support, so as long as you connect your headset to your PC and you run the game with the necessary files installed, you will be good to go. So the main thing, of course, is to have Phasmophobia installed through Steam, and the other thing that you have to download is Steam VR. So this will help you set up any VR compatible game through Steam. So download Steam VR. It is a free tool that you can find on the store. And the last thing that you should download is the MetaQuest Link application. So look for the MetaQuest Link app and download it from the Meta website. This will help you set up and detect your MetaQuest 3 headset or your Oculus Quest 3. So once you have Steam VR and the MetaQuest Link app ready, you are good to go. Now go into the Steam page on your library for Phasmophobia, and of course ensure that the headset is connected. You are either going to have to use a link cable and then Quest Link, or you can use AirLink. As long as you have your PC and the Oculus Quest 3 on the same Wi-Fi network, AirLink is going to be able to wirelessly do this connection, but I highly recommend using the link cable instead because this will minimize the amount of latency. Use AirLink as the secondary option if you don't have a cable available or if you really want to do it wirelessly. Once you choose Quest Link and you select between a link cable or AirLink, just click on the option to play Phasmophobia on the Steam library and you will see this message here: launch Phasmophobia in Steam VR mode. So just make sure that this option is toggled, choose the option to play, and it will automatically go into VR. So if you have your headset connected, VR will work immediately. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Phasmophobia on Oculus Quest 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.